Hey guys, I'm Meteorologist Chris Tomer. Let's talk some mountain weather, and it's definitely spring skiing out west right now. Warmer temperatures moving in with this high pressure ridge. I'll show you a couple of cameras coming up. In the northeast, it's going to be pretty unsettled all the way through Sunday with mostly kind of a mix, early rain, snow, ice, and then it will eventually go over to just snow showers late in the weekend. But again, this western high I think is going to last until probably 328, and then a storm will come into California and then start to break that down and move into the interior after that. So we're going to look at all of that. But look at this beautiful view here from Albion Basin. Absolutely spectacular blue skies up there today. And the same is true in Colorado, one of my favorites here, Loveland Ski Area up on the Continental Divide there. You can see it, blue skies, everybody up there having a good time. Look at that. Right on top of the Continental Divide, over 12,000 feet. Look at that view. Spectacular. Here's infrared. Let me show you the patterns. So you've got the jet basically doing this, and then curling down, and then supporting that East Coast storm system. I'll just mark it right there. It's heading up into the northeast. There's the storm system. Another one behind that. And let me change colors for this big high pressure, since this is such a big part of the forecast, basically anchored over California. And so everything is going to be forced to go up and around. And so the Pacific Northwest, BC, in the storm track, so to speak, and then this other storm behind it will also move into that same area. But I don't have anything for the West all the way through the weekend. And again, it may be until Tuesday of next week, Tuesday, Wednesday, when we can see a storm move into the interior Mountain West. It's going to be a while. Let me just show you what the interpretation is here from the GFS model. So let me take you and look at the northeast, kind of that rain, snow, ice mix. So here's Friday morning, right here. So in the northeast, you've got some snow potentially mixing in. Northern Vermont, northern New Hampshire, northern Maine. Probably northern Maine might be your best shot, but out west, it's all high pressure. Here's Saturday morning. This is the 26th. Notice some colder air starting to filter into the northeast, maybe another little clipper coming on the back side. Pacific Northwest starts to get some action. Here's Sunday morning, turning mainly over to snow showers, wrapping in with some wind for the northeast. Out west, high pressure over the Intermountain West, actions in the Pacific Northwest. But look at California. Here comes our storm. Here's the 28th. So it starts to move into the Sierra with some snow. This is the storm that will change the destiny of the West here. Watch this. So by Tuesday morning, this is the 29th, that moves into Utah, Idaho, Montana, Wyoming, and Colorado with some action there. That's the 29th. I'll take you into the 30th. So some snow through Colorado into the morning of the 30th. Low begins to move away. Snow through northern New Mexico. And then by the 31st, the low is gone. It's moving out into the plains. All right, let's talk numbers. Here's my forecast all of today through the 28th. So this encompasses a lot of high pressure. There's not a ton across the west. The numbers you see in California come on the 28th. So it's pretty quiet. Let's go into phase two. Quite a change here. Once that low comes out of California and affects the Intermountain West, we're looking at some totals. This is a long way out, so depends on the track. The storm's going to run into some really warm air. I mean, because we're going to be spring skiing with 70s in parts of Colorado coming in, even in the mountains. The mountains are probably going to be in the 50s. So, some of this is probably going to start as rain in many mountain valleys, and the snow level will eventually come down. But these numbers, while they look big, they may be artificially big. We'll see. So let's look at let's just go to the northeast. Here's the 24th, basically all of today through the 2nd of April. Best chances for snow, again, are in northern Vermont, northern New Hampshire, northern Maine through this period. And again, not a lot of snow. I think we're just starting to get into late March and early April when the temperatures are just going to be borderline as a lot of these storm systems move in. So there you go. That's the way it looks all the way out to the 2nd of April. Thank you for tuning in here. Always appreciate it.